Welcome to our lesson on determining the area of any triangle. So we begin with our triangle. This is our triangle. Then we follow the rules of naming our triangle. This side is small a, this side is small c, this side is small b, representing lengths of our triangle. And then these capital letters here stand for our angles. So Roman 1 for area, it is the same as a half multiplied by base multiplied by perpendicular height. So I've used this symbol here to represent perpendicular height. Alternatively, Roman 2, the area is a half AB sine C. So this is the A and the B sine C is the included angle. So it is a half times A times B sine C, giving us this one. Alternatively, it is the same as a half AC sine B, a half AC sine B. Now sine B is our included angle. Alternatively, we have a half BC sine A, a half B C sine A. So this is our included angle. That is when we are given an included angle. Now there is another formula associated with Heron of Alexandria, who lived close to 2,500 years ago. It goes this way: area is equals to square root S into S minus A, close the bracket, S minus B, close the bracket, S minus C, close the bracket, all under the square root sign. Now what does the S stand for? S stands for the semi-perimeter. How do we find the semi-perimeter? Semi-perimeter is equals to the perimeter A, B, C. Remember, the perimeter is distance round an object. Total distance round an object. So it's the same as A plus B plus C divided by 2. When we divide by 2, we are finding the S now. And then we transfer the S, which is the semi-perimeter, under the root sign, semi-perimeter, into semi-perimeter minus side A, close the bracket, open the bracket, semi-perimeter minus side B, close the bracket, open the bracket, semi-perimeter minus side C, close the bracket, and then find the square root. You'll be able to get the area of that particular triangle. Now, having heard that introduction, we go now to a specific example that will help us understand how we calculate the area. Now we are given a building site is in the form of a quadrilateral as shown in the figure. Now a quadrilateral is a four-sided figure shown in the figure below, and its area is 1,510 meter square. Determine the length of the perimeter of the site. Now this is our quadrilateral. Now to figure out how we are going to work it out, we can divide our quadrilateral in terms of triangle. So I divide it from that side like that. When I divide it that way, I have two triangles. I can call this one triangle A, this other one triangle Then, since we are given the included angle here and another included angle here, this side we are given, this other side given, this side given, but we are not given this side. We call it W. To approach this one, we have to find now area of triangle A. We can apply the formula is equals to a half multiplied by 52.4 multiplied by 28.5 sine of included angle, sine 72 degrees is equals to 746.7 sine 72 degrees. When you multiply a half times this one, you get this sine 72 degrees. This one, when we've worked it out, is going to be 710.15 meters square. That is our area A. Now let us move on to finding our area B. Area B, likewise, this is our area B now. We have 34.6 as our length here, and that this length we are not given, we call it W, and the included angle is 75 degrees. So we're going to work it this way. Area is equals to a half multiplied by 34.6 multiplied by W. Included angle is sine 75 degrees. From here, 75 is here, this length and this length. Then area B now is equals to 17.35 sine 75 degrees. I've simplified this part. A half times 34.6 times W sine 75. So it is 17.35 W sine 75. But remember, we were given the area. The area was given us 1510 square meter. So we are going to add the two area and equate the areas to 1510 meters. So this one is going to be total area is equals to area A plus area B. So 1510 meter square is equals to area A. From area A here, it was 710.15 is equals to 710.15 square meters plus area B is 17.35 W meters square. .7 here. So this one is going to be meter square, 16.7 meter square after simplifying this one. So this one is equals to, we bring this side and then we subtract 1510 minus 710.15, all these ones are meter square, is equals to, what will remain here is 16.7 W meters square. Now when we subtract that, we find it as 799.85. So 799.85 square meters is equals to 16.7 W square meters. So to be able to get W here, we divide this side by 16.5, 16.7, divide this side by 16.7 meters square, divide by 16.7 is equals to W. So when we W goes here once, it goes here 47.89. So 47.89 meters is equals to W. So our length from this point to that point is 47.89. And then we are told to determine the length of the perimeter of the site. Now, perimeter is the distance round our site. So it is this one plus this one plus this one plus that one. So it's equals to 52.4 for this one is equals to 52.4 plus 28.5 plus 34.6 plus W, which is 47.89. So we get, when you add, you get 163.39 meters. So this is the distance round our object. You realize some of these problems can be very tricky, but when you are properly armed with the knowledge you have already acquired, you are able to sail smoothly. Thank you.